What's going on YouTube? This is Archie from Archie Motors, my brand new channel, man. I'm excited to bring you guys some really cool content about cars, trucks, tools, customizations. Today I have a tool review, and it's a electric trimmer. I went to Lowe's after mine busted for about 7 years, which it lasted a long time, I guess, only being 30 bucks. But I told myself I was going to upgrade. I went and got me an electric Kobalt 40V trimmer, and I love this thing, man. It's powerful, it slices, it dices, and it turns that grass into a I don't know, what does it turn it into? It slices, it dices, it turns that grass into a green shredded wheat that you don't want to eat. Welcome to my channel, though. It's not necessarily going to be a how-to channel. More or less, I'm going to just show you how I twos it. And then, that was a knee slapper. But I did a couple shots in the backyard, and man, I do really like this trimmer, no doubt. I highly recommend it if you got medium, large yard, even a small yard. I mean, it's lightweight, powerful, strong, it edges. I only had half of a charge and did the whole backyard. You can do 2 hours worth of weed eating on this trimmer on the 40 volt. And yeah, if you're doing more than 2 hours, I would just get some grass killer and kill it. That's probably the only negative about it. It only lasts 2 hours. Of course, if you had a gas trimmer and you put gas in it, it's only going to last so long anyway. But that's the beauty of it. There's no gas. There's no oil. You charge it up the night before, you pop the battery in, boom, you're good to go, man. And yeah, it's really cool, and I do love it. Yeah, so I got the grass growing pretty tall here, about 4 or 5 weeks overgrown on purpose, so I can come back here and do some trimming just to show you how really it is cutting through it. If you were going to do this every week, I mean, it would be no sweat, but even with this tall grass, it still cuts through it. You can see the long, tall stalks of grass coming through, and then of course I got my rebar. I gotta cut around that. And I got my sweet looking house shoes, bro. So I'm going to do some other tool reviews. I'm going to do a whole series about upgrading the daily, upgrading your daily driver. I just gonna do some simple stuff, not too outrageous, just something that's going to give your car that double look, the double take, the oh look at that, oh, you know what I'm saying, that kind of thing. So yeah, if you like this video, if you'd like to see more, if you'd like to see another tool being reviewed, leave a comment down below. Like, hit the subscribe button, hit the alert button, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. I'm out of here.